Welcome back, guys. We have made it to the top of Brown Clee Hill and we're currently at the Iron Age fort. I'm joined today by Ford and a special guest, a shut the fuck up Stephen. So I'll turn you around, I'll show you some of the views, the fort, the walk up here, and then we'll bring you guys back once we've settled down and got a beer in our hand. You're awkward on camera, Stephen.
I am very
Ford, isn't he? Just does stuff.
Form for me, monkey.
Oh, can't wait to sit on Ash's lap later. Oh. Fucking shit. And so it begins. Oh, it does smell like shit here. Bastard. I might put a jumper on.
Are you cold?
No.
Had me worried then. I hope I actually don't freeze tonight. I brought my thickest jumper. If I actually freeze tonight.
You won't freeze, Stephen.
And he didn't do a bosher.
Oh, fucking you witnessing this, guys?
I've ruined it.
Unbelievable.
I've waited the whole hike to get a proper bosher.
You didn't
and then
even
I've
get
just
one for
ruined it.
yourself?
I've just been explaining the bosher. Bosher. There we go. All right. Good.
It is cooler. Yeah, I like that.
Yo, doggo.
So, guys, we're going to be setting up a camp, I believe, in the actual fort itself. I want to peg you into the ground, yeah. I've pegged you on.
You want to peg your dog?
Although I could, but no, I don't want to peg my dog.
Can't believe you want to peg your dog. I definitely don't want to be pegged with that.
I've just thought about pegging this in here. I bet this is a layer of dirt under concrete.
Probably.
Or a layer of dirt on top of concrete.
Yeah.
At the moment, it looks like a layer of shit on top of concrete. Life could be a dream. Shubble, shubble. If I
had a dream.
know the fucking words.
Martin Luther King here.
What was that?
I had a dream.
That looks still moist.
Yeah, that one's mine.
I just perform better in sunglasses.
They were that brand new when I put them on to start with instead of the stick on.
I'll tell you what, I won't tell Sham. I have this skill that I can chat shit.
You do that sober.
Just sober. So,
You do that sober.
yeah.
I've seen you drunk at a pub before.
It's the title of my new porno.
I was seeing you drunk at a pub. So guys, it's a bit too early to set up. So we've got the boys in here and they're squabbling over this room. Let me show you, there's a couple of rooms. But both Ford and Stephen both want this room. Apparently it's the sheep shitless room. Bosher.
Right, guys, this is the beer that we have for tonight. We've got a wide range, to be honest. We've really gone all out tonight. So, have a gander at this.
Guys, can I just point out we have some cock for Paul.
This right here
I'm also a cock, yeah.
is the shittest barman.
Look at that. I can do lunges. Oh, sorry.
Your pub looks a bit rough, mate.
We do have some cherry brandy. They're Cooper. Very posh, £13 a bottle.
Nice.
We have a couple of Despos left.
£13 a bottle.
Some Despos left from our previous trip. A couple of cans of Madry. We got a stack of fucking Bud. And over in this corner we have a female's drink, which is Stephen's. Berries and cherries, there he is.
Stephen.
Bit of berries and cherries. Another female version of
Export.
alcohol. Yeah.
Yeah.
But he does have 3 manly beers.
It's one for the ladies.
Catch you guys in a bit. Welcome back, guys. So, up top here, we have a monkey. There he is.
Bosher.
Right, should we go see where Ford is? A lovely little bosher from our Stephen. I didn't even want to tell him to shut the fuck up that time. The bosher was so... He meant it. Who did you do it for, Stephen? Anyone in particular?
For Katie for covering my shift.
It's a big bosher for Katie for covering his shift. Just so you know, I called a BB because of a game called Death Stranding. I'm going to bore the shit out of most of you, but that's the reason I called a BB.
Hello, Doggo. You don't want to eat those, Doggo.
Right, we're going to enjoy the... Oh, go on.
I was just about to say, they're bad.
Yeah, we're going to enjoy the view. I'm going to bring you guys back when we get in there. 10-15 minutes.
Bosher.
Big bosher.
Hello, sailor.
The dog seems to have taken a liking to stinging nettles. Yeah. I mean, I've never tried a nettle soup myself, but...
Give it a good go though, I would.
Thank you.
I'd assume it'd be like broccoli soup.
How's your daughter getting on?
Oh, don't start.
What's the name again? I have been there. I forget people's names, mate.
That's been a while for you, hasn't it?
It starts with a P, I'm pretty sure.
Yeah.
P. Who's at work? We've got begins with P.
Phoebe.
Paloma.
Phoebe worked there for a while, didn't she?
Peyton?
Peyton.
No.
How's she getting on?
I don't know how you're on about, to be honest. Went for the forms. Then I realised I'm not a suitable father.
Shit dads these days, isn't it? You know what I mean?
Yeah.
You feed them all they need.
They went around to my place,
Yeah.
saw the several cases of Stella, and just went,
Oh,
probably not
suitable.
then.
Oh,
Dog do you want?
something fluffy. I don't care what kind.
Stephen said he doesn't like you.
No, I like all dogs, but I do prefer a fluffy dog. I do prefer a fluffy dog.
Steve, shut the
Shut up, Stephen. This is for you, Lee.
This is for Lee.
Right. Shut up, Stephen. 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 There you go.
See,
There's
the
a
dog's
quick
come
gun.
to protect me. The dog has come to protect me.
So what about Petersburg beating?
Beat Birmingham, weren't he?
They beat Birmingham. Was that at Wembley?
Yeah, it was definitely Wembley.
No, they played at Wembley.
Never lost at Wembley.
They played at Wembley and lost.
Never lost at Wembley. Never
That
lost.
must hurt, that, to be fair.
Wow. I bet he's to be fair, he's probably got his controller through the TV at this point, isn't he?
Yeah. So I asked Skeldon for advice on beers.
Yeah.
Did he say Sam again?
No, he said, you off work tomorrow?
Is that what he said?
Yeah, and I went, yeah. And he said, just fucking stock up on whatever, mate. That looks good though, doesn't it?
The bar.
Yeah.
You enjoyed it?
Huh?
You enjoyed it?
I am very enjoying it.
I'm very enjoying it.
Boys, let's play a game of words we don't need to use in a sentence. That one being very.
I've got fucking shit all in my shoes. Quite literally.
You only brought fresh Nikes up on the height. These one were pre-dirty. I took these to the beach.
These are like
Do you know
a
what
year
I can't wait tonight? What really excites me?
to suck my dick.
Really excites me.
Suck my dick.
I've been waiting for this for a while, to be honest.
Sucking my dick.
No.
Oh,
No.
Apologies, guys.
Just laying on a floor of shit. It's really good. It just really gets you. It just makes you feel like you're in nature, then, don't it?
Right, I'm not going to put this in the bag because it is now covered in shit. I'm going to put it next to the bag.
And while I'm in my tent, it'll warm everything up. So that aroma when I wake up, that'll be lovely.
As it warms up during the day, as it gets warmer.
Yeah, it'd be really nice. Really nice. Fucking sheep.
Just kind of tangle
No, I
yourself.
mean actually fucking sheep. I'm quite proficient at it.
You're Welsh, aren't you? So that works.
Yeah.
You voted for
There's
20
an
miles
art.
an hour
There's
roads.
there's an art to it.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
How'd you do it?
Carefully.
Wellies first.
Pull the wall.
Carefully.
Wellies.
Carefully would have been my starting point, but yeah.
You mean you don't just attack the sheep? That's how I'd do it.
Sheep's
Yeah,
come
How'd you catch it gently? You're learning a lot here, guys. About these two, I'm doing all right, actually.
What have they learned about me? I like shagging sheep.
And you can't wait to sleep on a bed of shit.
Well, yeah. It's my German porn kink.
You see, you guys know, I want to show BB off a bit because she is beautiful. She's about a year and a month old, which is pretty fucking good.
So still growing.
No, I think she's about max now. This is
They grow 2
BB.
years.
Look at her face. She always looks sad. There's nothing I can do. I take her to the moon. She'd be sad.
I'll be
a lot of
sad
times
if you
she's
took me
very
to the
happy.
moon, to be fair. Because you can't breathe there.
I'd give her an helmet. I'm going to implode on the moon. She wants to sit on my chair now.
Yeah, get up.
You guys more fucking sleeping mug like that. and how big it is.
Oh, promises.
No, I mean honestly,
My sleep
it's
bag should be
fucking
warm.
huge. So guys, welcome back. It's just getting dark enough. Oh, delicious. For us to set up the tents. In here, there is a private room. So you got a double here. So some of these guys are gonna have to share. Stephen wants the room. Shut up, Stephen. And this is the private with the ensuite. And here's the little dog. Oh, look at that. Oh, yes. The reason the dog is tied down, by the way, is because there is a ton of sheep. I'll turn it around and show you. And she is a sight hound, so I don't let her off. I don't disrespect anybody around the areas I camp. She was off the lead earlier. So Lee, I want nothing from you about me mistreating the dog. Turn you around, show you this view. And that is our Iron Age fort for the evening. Absolutely brilliant. I'm going to come towards the window and see what's happening inside.
Look at this view.
You're about me or you?
Oh, definitely you, mate.
Not much of a view there.
Not talking about your cock, Stephen.
Save that for later, mate.
Still not much of a view there.
Right, guys. I'll leave you to it. I think Paul's going to do a bit of a skip now. So we'll send him off and see what he brings back. Catch you guys in a bit.
Right, guys. So I'm setting off on my little personal trek. So Ash has already shown you where we're camping. An old fort at the top of the hill. So this path up here leads to, looks like a couple of radio towers, and then something I'll show you in a second. Right, guys, so as the others get pissed up, enjoy themselves, I've gone for a bit of a trek. We've been walking up to the top of the Clee Hills. So this is the highest point in Shropshire, and I'll show you the little plaque that I've got up there. So highest point in Shropshire, guys. Plaque here. Showing that we're 1,772 feet above sea level. And hopefully I'll see you in the videos to come.
So guys, welcome back. We have set up in the Iron Age fort. I'll turn you around now. There's the canine torpedo. This year. Hounding the sheep, or trying to. I'll just get my lights on here because I don't know how much you guys are going to see. So if we drop these on quickly, lovely stuff. So in the private room we have Stephen, and he's using the Trekker tent. He has, which we went through earlier, the Mountain Warehouse Base Camp 250. Keep him nice and toasty. And inside he has an air mat of some sorts. Don't know the make or model, but he got one.
Warehouse.
Mountain Warehouse as well, apparently. So for my setup we have the Folks 2 version 2. Absolute brilliant tent. So this is my 6th time using this, and inside we have Trespass sleeping bag, the big one. It was cold last time, I'm bringing it out again. And for sleeping on we have the High Peak air mat.
It's alright, mate. There's loads more room than you guys have.
Over in this corner you've got two twats. You've got
Yeah, you fuck off, you.
Steven, and you have couldn't give a shit, Ford. That's what we do. So on Ford's corner of the table we have the budget Best Buy, Argos 20% off, cheapest chips, back at the bargain looking value tent.
Storm surviving.
Storm surviving tent.
Timu. No, I'm joking, it wasn't Timu.
Not quite Timu. But we all know this tent has the magic hat. Put a rabbit from it if you want. Cheeky. And over here. Oh, hello, cheeky.
I ain't not used to it.
It's all background noise, guys. Ignore that. So he has
I've got beer holders.
a sleeping bag and a beautiful velvet black pillow.
Torpedoes made herself at home.
Torpedo's gone to bed. So guys, that's our setup, and I'll bring you guys back in a bit.
On top, the view while the sun was setting.
Gorgeous.
Fuck me.
The view here weren't too bad either. We saw Mount Doom. It was great.
Bit emotional, that's what we saw.
It was great.
Frodo searching for the ring again.
No, look. You might be able to see it from
the Eye
there.
of Sauron.
Yeah, look.
It is there.
Sauron's into this.
Fucking hell. That's what.
Mad.
Mate, crack on. Do you go? So guys, tents are up, we're all settled down. I'm sure Ford's got a beautiful piece I'll put in later in the video.
It's not that fucking
Oh,
beautiful.
no, not later. Before this in the video.
Well, it makes sense.
We have the Cooper. It is a 24%. 24% cherry brandy.
Does it taste good?
So
It
Yeah,
smells
no
like
issue,
strawberries,
right.
tastes
Yeah.
like cherries.
it's very cherry.
It smells like strawberries, tastes like cherries.
A little taster on that.
Oh yeah, it's very cherry.
Nice though,
Very
isn't it?
cherry.
It's good.
24%.
Fucking nice, man. Yeah, it's nice.
Tastes like fruit salad.
Just got to get it in there.
Do you want to whirl? Oh.
Oh, hello, boss, yeah?
Bosher. Got to get that bosher in there.
Fuck the cherry brandy. My man was waiting for a bosher. Like a little. Well, did the bar still open? There's not a fucking lot left
There's
on
not a lot left at all.
it.
We've cleaned house. Right up here, right now. It's 3 guys.
One cup.
And
Three guys, one forge.
We
Three guys, one forge.
we are camp as fuck.
Oh,
And this one's for John.
Big Johnny.
Oh, look how he puts it in his mouth. Oh, you enjoyed that. In Robin Hood, do you know how they ironically say Little John? And he's actually a massive bloke.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Little John.
You talking about John?
Little John. Little John.
Little John with the donkey cock.
Yes.
He knows who we're talking about, don't we,
Bloody
Johnny?
tripod, that man.
What's the fact of forge?
I just licked my finger. That's weird.
What, after talking about John and being big?
No, I dropped a bit of cherry brandy on it. But we'll clean that up.
Yeah.
Yeah,
What's
lovely.
the fact of Ford?
Fact of Ford. I showed you several facts of Ford.
You haven't showed them fact of Ford.
I've got.
Oh, that'll be on
I've
Fact of
got a
Ford.
whole video. Facts
Oh,
of
I
Ford.
don't know the facts of Ford. Ford. No,
Facts
I will
of Ford
know.
are.
I'll know before them.
We're on the Clee Hills right now, on the Brown side.
We are on the Brown Clee Hills.
Which-
Doesn't involve a golf ball.
And there is no fucking golf ball up here.
No,
Although I was
golf ball at all.
promised a massive ball.
I was promised.
You
a
were
massive
promised. I said there might be one.
Where's my ball?
ball. I want a ball as well.
I want a ball.
Boys, look, I know what I need to do to find a ball. Just look between my legs. If you guys have got flaps,
Shit, I struggle.
I can have one of your ball.
nah, there's a new thing now. There's a new thing
It's
now.
only got one ball.
There's a new
The
thing.
other is in Albert Hall. His mother, the
Ladies,
dirty bugger.
ladies.
Am I hitting the song in? I'll take that.
Yeah, hit this fine.
Yeah, hit the
I think at this point, hit this fine.
Yeah.
As long as it's abusing.
I mean,
it, nah.
yeah,
If
I
you
think
were
it's-
going,
I think it's
you were
after.
going, oh, Mein Kampf, that might be an issue.
Yeah,
but
I mean, I can if you
a
want.
bit of Hitler.
You sure?
Mate. Open bar.
Yeah, to be fair.
Help yourself.
I have.
It's alright, isn't that? Is it good?
That's a cozy little
I've
drink.
got my half camaraderie.
Yeah.
I am okay, thank you.
Oh.
Oh.
We all know who's got the vagina here.
Yeah.
What I've caught you? Did you not see the
Corbin.
drink? Did you?
Oh. Yep, that's cut out.
And it is signal to go.
So Hitler.
Imagine if we could use all
He was
Nah, fuck off.
Can't beat a night like this.
It's alright, mate.
around the campfire that we made through torches.
An actual campfire would have been better. It'd be a bit warmer.
Next time I'll bring my guitar. We'll
No
start singing
fires.
Kumbaya.
No fires.
Yeah, I'll bring my
we're
guitar next
proper
time.
wild camping.
We don't do fires.
Kumbaya, my lord. Are you crying, Lord? Wait for it. Yes, yes, Stephen. Oh, stop.
You do know, right? I'm even going to tell the camera this. These boys singing, it's coming out to you. I ain't cutting this. No profanity was used.
Are you crying, Lord? Kumbaya. Oh, Lord.
Do you know it's safer in groups? I'm not sure anymore.
UK.
Both of our feet sticking out the tent.
Feet Finders UK, you know what they say.
Feet Finders UK, you know what they say? What socks do you use? You fucking pervert.
Grandad, weird guy. Great kisser.
Help me, step granddad.
This is my chair now.
We might need to rebuild it and put it safely.
What, is it fucked?
No. Chairs just sink into the ground.
Oh yeah.
Am I sitting in a tiny little phone?
Yeah, look.
I'll pre-warn you.
You did, to be fair.
Tiny little phone chair, fucking hell.
Look at the star.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah?
Oh daddy.
Oh,
yeah.
Hi, Dad!
Good morning, guys. We made it through the night. I'm just going to show you the cleanup now. I'll turn you around, do you a little tour of what we've left. So this is the master bedroom where Stephen stayed. And this is the front room. Stephen's set up. Lovely. Right, we're going to take a walk down now. When we get to the car, I'll bring you guys back. We'll do a little wrap up. So guys, thanks for joining us today. We've just got back to the car, and you could join me in 2-3 days and I'll be heading out again. I'm going towards the Cotswolds, that sort of way. I'm not going to reveal exactly where, so tune in next week or in a few days, and I'll see you guys later.